I'm going to try to videotape a few of these fireworks. If you can see them pretty clearly with my iPhone. Post this on YouTube a little later on, and wondering when the actual Ocean View show is going to start up. I thought it was 9 or 9:30. Anyways, this is July 4th, 2012. What is America is now 236 years old. Hopeful that the country will last longer, last at least that much longer. This is Ocean View Beach in Norfolk, Virginia, and all the fireworks are going off. I can't put this to any music, unfortunately. I don't know how. I'm not the most technologically inclined person. That's kind of pretty right there. A little bit further off is either Chicks Beach or the Virginia Beach oceanfront. Can't really tell. It's just beyond the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, and they got some fireworks going off there. They had some in Hampton earlier, which I got to see right from here. Just waiting to see where the Hampton ones are still actually going. I don't know if that's Fort Monroe or downtown Hampton, though, because it's across the water. Waiting to see if there's actually a real show for Ocean View. There should be one. Ocean View is a little further down. The lights up there, you can see the Nansemond on the bay. Ocean View Shopping Center, Pretlow Library is there. Down in this direction, I see you might be able to make our strawberry colored moon. Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, the Joint Expeditionary Little Creek Fort-Story base. An iPhone is the only thing that I have to do this with, so I'm pretty fortunate to have that. That's nice. I don't want to sound mean or anything, but if you're a big government-loving, entitlement-mooching liberal, I hope you're inside your house with your shades closed. You know, you can still have your barbecue, just don't participate in anything else. You can watch them on YouTube. You know. Okay, I'm going to stop and start a second one, like I usually do.